To set screen recorder sound as media sounds and mic in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, and advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap screenshots and screen recorder. Tap screen recorder settings. Select media sound and mic, or swipe down notification panel and then swipe down again. So long tap screen recorder and then select media sounds and mic. To take screen recorder, swipe down notification panel and then tap screen recorder. Tap start recording. And then to stop recording, swipe down notification panel, tap here to stop recording. Recording save. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.